Okay, check this out. If you're the type of person that loves goal setting, habit tracking, but you sometimes feel like approaches, especially in the health and wellness field, can be restrictive, or you're kind of like in this mentality of just do this and not that. There's no compassion around it. There's no mindset aspect to it. And you end up just trying something over and over again, expecting different results, or you try something, you hit it on the head for like 2 weeks, and then you fall right back where you were. So I'd like to introduce you to the HAPIE Goal Method, and I've created a planner and habit tracker to go along with it. So HAPIE stands for habit-based, including acknowledgement and celebration of self, keeping things petitely progressive, always making sure it's internally focused, and creating my signature experimental monthly habit tracking system. You can order, you will get a digital version which has a ton of clickable links. It has a gazillion bonuses. It has monthly intention pages, tutorial videos, a full goal guide that explains the HAPIE, as well as goal setting pages, and of course, the monthly tracking. So I'm going to show you the physical version as well. You must order before December 15th in order to get the physical guide before January for 2021. The biggest bonus is that you will actually get 3 monthly coaching calls with me. So everyone who orders a planner, again, will get 3 monthly. That means at the end of December, headed into January, January headed into February, and then February headed into March, you can do your goal setting for food, fitness, and mindset with me, and I will be there to personally help you create your monthly habits. Check this out. If you like to write pen to paper, this is already printed for you. It's only $33 until December 15th, and then the price goes up. This is where you do your monthly goal setting, intention, reflection of the previous month, and the beautiful habit tracking page. The digital version will be available as well, but definitely be sure to order soon because the physical version is limited. It's until December 15th or until I sell 17 more. So that's the number we're at. We have limited inventory for that. We have a food switch list that helps you with each kind of major common food groups that we tend to have on a daily basis, how to increase that food quality. I have a ton of resources for each area: food, fitness, mindset, example pages, and a 90-day journaling exercise for your mindset. Let me get there. Boom. I cannot wait for you guys to dive into the HAPIE Goal Planner and Habit Tracker, and I look forward to working with you. There's also a full online community where you can connect with me, and you can always share on social. So grab your planner now. Make sure you get the deal where you can get the in-person, physically mailed to your doorstep planner. Get it before December 15th or until they sell out. Looking forward to it. I'm Tessie, and let's get it, happy girls. Let's go.